In this video, we will see how can we extract text data from PDF using Python. For that, we need to install a library PDF Plumber. So let me first install that one. Actually, I already installed, so it shows the requirement satisfied. Okay, requirement already satisfied. Now let me import Plumber, and we are going to print the metadata in a formatted way, so of the PDF. So I am for import JSON I am using for that. Now let me show. So this is a sample file that we are going to read. We have 3 pages. So let this pages file in file freshers.in underscore sample underscore 1.pdf. So let me read this file. Open, give the name. PDF file is equal to .in. Okay, now we use the PDF open PDF equal to PDF plumber.open of this PDF file. Okay, now this got open. Now let us print this metadata for this PDF file. PDF.metadata. Let's see. So we have author, creator, creation date, modeler, producer, etc. So we have the metadata here. So now if you want to know total number of pages, PDF dot pages. So at that time it shows that it has 3 pages as we seen here, 1 2 3. It has 3 pages. Now we will take the first page. First underscore page equal to PDF dot pages of 0. So this will have the first page, and we will print the content of the first page. Content equal to first page dot extract text, extract underscore text. Now we will, so let's just run this first. Okay, now we will see what is the content of the first page. So we have everything in the first page. So first the heading freshers.in, new line, who we are, new line, then page 1. So in this way we can print the content of the PDF using Python. Now if you want, there are some other options in for this PDF Plumber. For example, if you want to know the width, so page.width will give, oh, this is not okay. So first page dot width, this will give something like this. So okay, now if you want to print the entire thing, entire content of the PDF, then we need to iterate one by one for page number comma page in. Then I am giving enumerate PDF dot pages comma 1. Then we will print, okay, we will print first, we will, okay, let me colon print, we will print this one page number, then we will print the content of the page. Content equal to page dot extract underscore text print content. Let us execute, control enter. So we this got for page, for each page it is iterating, get the page, and then we get the printing the content. So the first page, who we print here, the second page and third page. In this way we can print we can extract the content. Now whatever you want you can do. You can copy this into some processing or put it in a table or whatever one you can give, you will get the content. So if you just want to know what is the type, we will see. So it's all string. So for each page, iterating through each page, we are getting all the contents. Now if you want to save into a text file or something, you can do that. In the next video we will try how to extract the table from a PDF. Thank you.
Request you to please subscribe this channel for more technical and programming languages videos.